The defeat of France in the summer of 1940 left Britain isolated and vulnerable. In the evacuation from Dunkirk, most of her small army's heavy weapons and equipment were lost, as were numerous warships and many of her aircraft. The Royal Navy, the key to Britain's survival, now faces the combined might of the German and Italian navies. And with the capitulation of France, possibly also the French Navy. To prevent the French fleet falling into German hands, a British battle squadron is dispatched to Mers el-Kabir, the principal French naval base, and the French fleet is sunk in harbor. This decision to attack a former ally is not lightly taken and will sour relations for years to come. But if the French fleet had sided with Germany and Italy, the Royal Navy would have been grossly outnumbered, and an invasion of Britain would have been almost inevitable. There are further raids on French warships bottled up in North African harbors, and several engagements with the Italian Navy in the Mediterranean. In these battles, the Italians lose heavily, and Britain secures control over the Mediterranean sea lanes. At home, the British are preparing for the worst. Rationing of food has already been introduced, and as the war continues, will become more extensive, also embracing fuel, clothing, and many of the basic necessities of life. Bomb shelters, trenches, and sandbagged emplacements become common features. Pillboxes and barbed wire dominate the coast. The Emergency Powers Act, which came into force in May 1940, effectively places the whole country under martial law. Britain becomes a lonely fortress under siege.